Hi there, this is my another project of the messenger clone application. Here I can see we can chat with any person and also can call audio and video call, and also can and handle large file sharing up to 2 GB. So let's see every feature one by one. At first, when I logged in with any new user, that user will not be shown here because these users are only followers users. So all the registered users will be shown in the right side, and here I can see that I have 8 or 10 users and almost everyone is following except the last person. So if I try to follow or unfollow this person, for example this season user, I can see that user is gone from my left side, and if I follow again, I can see that user is available, and I can also filter the user. For example, I am talking searching for Salma, I can see that user is available. So this way I can chat with any others. So let's see live. Here I can see that one person is currently logged in and other person is not. So let's log in with another person with my another browser, for example Firefox, Chrome. Now I can see I have two users. One is Fayaz in the this side, and other side is the Riazul Islam, and he says that new user is currently logged in. So let's put these users in my right panel, and so that I can see. And if I type anything here, that will be available in that user's login profile if I select this user. So hi Fayaz, actually I am not selecting this user, I have to select that user to message. So hi Fayaz, I can see I am sending his message. So let's send an audio call. So I am currently sending an audio call. If I play my audio call, I can play that that user's side from also. Now if I can send a text messages, like small messages, like I can see I am sharing my file, my images. So I can delete my message or delete any message. Emojis, let's send some emojis. Now if I send these emojis, I can see that emoji is gone in the other side. So this was the messaging features. Now if I try to call this person, so this is a video calling, I can accept or reject that user. So my webcam permission must be allowed, and if I accept that call, I can see my audio video calling in the both side. I can mute unmute, I can turn off or turn on my webcam, and also I can share my screen. So let's see, share screen from this side. I can see here is my Visual Studio Code, that means my code editor. I can see whatever I am doing in my code editor, that will be have visual to that side because it is the sharing screen sharing application. So now I can record or I can capture my audio video recording. So this side I am disabling my audio, so my audio will be not recorded. So if I click this button again or I click this button, I can see that file is downloaded. If I play this file, play this video, I can see my video is properly working. Now when I am in a video or audio call, my file sharing feature is enabled. So let's say share some files. For example, I can share any small files. This time I can share any files. Let's put the images. If I go, I can see other users got the images. So let's see, this time we try to share large file. So for that I am opening this window so that I can see how much file is sharing, and it is also has drag and drop feature. So let's this time use the drag and drop features. If I try to uh, 2.5, that means if I try to a file with more than 2 GB, it says that this is the out of limit because it has support. However, this data channel only support 2 GBs for now. So if I try to other files, for example, it is a movie. So if I share this movie, sharing this movie, I can see the uploading progress bar in my sharing side, that means the caller side, and the callee side shows the downloading feature percentage. So I can see this side completed, but my other side is still downloading, and I am handling my downloading feature with the service worker, which handles separately with the service with different thread than the main thread. That means my application will works fine smoothly without any interruption, though I am sharing very large file. If you look at my CPU, it consume almost all my CPU because I am sharing large file and handling both caller side and callee side in the same machine, and in the meantime I am recording this video. That is the reason it is handling almost all my CPU. It is consuming all CPUs, but still my application is working smoothly because I am handling my downloading feature with the service worker. That means that is handled in the different thread. So and it takes still turn sometimes. Another feature, when I am in a video call, I can see my my messaging section is in the bottom side, but when I am in a desktop view, my messaging section appears in my right side, and still my is building. Now my file is fully downloaded. So if I play this file,
the new king,
and this will all be mine.
I can see my video working properly. That means it is a working. It is a file sharing is done. Now, when I am a audio or video call, I can also create a audio call. Let's see an audio call example. Actually, let's close the terminal of the call. I can see my audio. In my audio call section has not features any features, just it is a audio call and close. And while I am in a audio call, for example, I can see I have 2 users currently logged in, and if these 2 users in a audio or video call and third users try to calling any of this engaged call, then caller, then he or she will see that get a notification or that those users are busy. So let's see an example. I am calling again a video call. So the Fayaz and Riaz are currently logged in a video call. So if another person, for example, let's log in with another person, Salma, in a separate window. I can see the Salma person is active inside and Salma person is active inside. So if this Salma person try to call these 2 users, she will see that busy in caller is busy notification, and if she try to call this person again, she sees that the caller is busy. But if it try to call any non person, it will show that the user is not found. But if that user was found, then she can be called, can be engaged with that person. So this was my video calling features. Now when let's stop my video call. Now when I am a video that I can in my messaging in my messaging session, I can filter or any users any messages. For example, hi, I can see all the messages has the hi is appears here. So if I type images, I can see all the images shows here. I can delete my images. Actually this image has multiple time entries, that is the reason image gone. Now I also can filter that from this side, that means it will show only images, it will show only audios, and when I am deleting any audio, that audio will be also deleted from my backend. So now if I go to my, I have no videos, so if I go to file, I have no files. But this was my demo. So if I go to my logged in user profile, if I click this button, I will go to the logged in user profile and I can change the cover photo or the avatar. If I go to the cover photo section, it also has drag and drop feature. So let's choose picture. I can crop the user's cover photo before uploading. Now I can see the my cover photo is appears in the same way. I can handle my avatar also. But if I go to another user's profile, like for Salma, if I go to this user's profile, I cannot change their profile because these users are different. I am not the logged in user of this user. So and in the I also see that how many follower and following is appears this user are currently has. So if I click this person, I can see I am selecting this person, and this person, if I click this message person, I can see directly can message with this person. So this was my messaging section. And another thing, I have my this application is online. So if I go to my portfolio, here has the messenger-clone application. If I go to live, I am deploying this website in a free hosting services, so it is little bit slow. But if you try these features, you will see that it will work exactly same as this demo example. So thanks for the watching this intro.